When did you actually think of setting up Mind Solutions, and how did you guys go about it? And did you work with any other IT company or BPO company before that? And
Okay, so I tell you what, the IT is an enabler in our service.
right,
Okay, so it's more to learn about your business process,
right,
and that's where the subject matter expertise is, and that's where all the management team is in understanding a business process. Now, IT is a very big tool which helps us to convert this business process into automation, and it kind of reduces the efficiency, enhances the efficiency for the process. Right. Now, how we started this, essentially, the team is either MBA or finance, basically finance and HR expert team, and per se we started in 2003 sometime, and but we picked up peak somewhere around 2005. And how we started is that we started with telecom sector. Now, that was the time when actually telecom sector was in its boom, and it was expanding like leaps and bounds in all directions in India. And they wanted similar services from multi-city management. You know, the accounting needs, HR needs for multi-location management. And India, in its geography, is widespread in terms of language, in terms of kind of culture. So if you have to manage, let's say, your accounting needs for Chennai region or Hyderabad region or for Assam region, so it is actually, accounting is accounting, but still the business process needs are very different. The vendor you are dealing with, the customer you are dealing with, he may want local language needs.
right.
So all those opportunities existed in that period. What we did is, I mean, when telecom expanded, they did everything decentralized. Each city in itself was a decentralized hub function. We took it up as a special project for consolidation of the activities across India. And we started working with telecom towards shared center kind of concepts. And for doing that, we needed automation.
Right.
And we learned automation while having the business process knowledge around it. And that's how we expanded further and further on the automation. We started with a small research team in-house, and that research team essentially started focusing and delivering results in terms of solutions. And then now that team is large enough to manage the entire independent activity as an IT activity.